Good morning, everyone. This is the work of Group 1, and our topic is air resistance and gravity. Our speaker is Ricardo Infante.
Hi, I'm JC, and the topic for today is air resistance and gravity. If you drop a bowling ball and a feather from the same height on the moon, they would both hit the surface at the same time. All objects dropped on Earth are attracted to Earth with the same acceleration. But on Earth, a bowling ball and a feather would not hit the ground at the same time. Air resistance slowed the feather. There is a question here. How does the air resistance affect the dropping time of the feather and the bowling ball? The gravity on Earth is different from the gravity from the moon. Because on Earth, there is a gravity, while on the moon, there is no gravity. The air resistance can slow the feather because it is very light and air can move this feather freely. And the mass of the object can affect the dropping point of the object. Because when the air resistance and when a mass is bigger, the gravity itself will pull down the object, and here's the gravity, and here is the air resistance. On Earth, this is how the gravity affects the object. Here, the air resistance can be here because the object is too light and the air can carry the feather, and its mass is lower than the bowling ball.
Hi everyone! Now we are going to have an activity for our topic, air resistance and gravity. And the materials are meter stick, masking tape, papers, and cell phone that will serve as our stopwatch, and that's all.
Cut mo na. Hi everyone. Now we are going to measure 2.5 meters in the wall.